Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming access and billing details. This matters because without admin rights, you can't retrieve invoices. Open Google Ads, then navigate to Tools and Settings and choose Billing. Once in Billing, select Documents to view downloadable invoices. Make sure the billing profile is correct and the date range covers the charges you need. If multiple accounts exist, pick the correct manager or client account. Once done, note invoice numbers and dates so you can quickly find matching entries. You'll now narrow and export the invoice files. Use the filter drop-down to pick year, month, or specific invoice number. This reduces scrolling and errors. Click each invoice row's download icon to save a PDF. Choose CSV export if you need spreadsheet data. For manager accounts, switch to the client account view before downloading because manager-level statements differ. If you need a batch, select multiple invoices and export together. Keep consistent file names so reconciliation and bookkeeping are straightforward. You finish by delivering invoices to accounting and verifying tax details. Mismatched VAT or TIN will delay reconciliation. Attach downloaded PDFs to expense reports or import CSVs into your accounting system and mark paid invoices. If an invoice is missing, use the billing support option in Google Ads. Provide invoice date, amount, and transaction ID. This speeds resolution. If files won't download, clear cache. Try an incognito window or use a different browser.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.